Hi there, parents and carers of Primary 7 pupils. So, my name is Riggerman, and I'm here to take you through a wee demonstration of our online platform, riggermaths.com, and how it can potentially help your children make a seamless transition into secondary school in terms of all things numeracy and mathematics. So, one of the things that's listed as a source of anxiety amongst young people when they're making that transition to secondary school is how they feel about their numeracy and their maths. But we're here hopefully to provide you with a solution for all of that. So all you have to do is type rigormaths.com into the internet address bar and our online platform comes up here. And what you do is once you've registered, once you've subscribed, you just type in your login details with whatever you did when you signed up. And once you log in, you are then brought to our student menu area. Now, as you can see, we have full comprehensive support for everything from advanced higher maths all the way down to second level numeracy and second level maths. Now, your child typically will be working at second level in primary 7, although in some cases it may be first level, and some may already have been extended to third level already. Now, in terms of giving a good overview of secondary maths, we would thoroughly recommend what we call the third level bronze programme for these remaining months until we go into secondary school. So we're going to be using the two pages third level numeracy and third level maths because CFE third level is split into two organisers, numeracy and maths. So here are all the experiences and outcomes for third level maths, and it clearly lists what the content is in each of these pages. But if we just jump back to the E's and O's menu and then click on numeracy, we've got some corresponding third level numeracy experiences and outcomes as well. And again, the content that's behind all of these pages. So let's pick one here. So say MNU 304A, negative numbers. Let's give you an idea of what pupils could be working on at home to support their numeracy and their maths. So for every module, we have it at 3 levels of difficulty. At bronze level, at silver level, and then at gold level. But for this, we're recommending is a brief overview of all the topics just to work through the bronze content. Now, for each topic, you have short video lessons for everything. So this particular experience and outcome has 4 outcomes. So there's 4 video lessons that the students undertake.
Hi there folks,
So if we
and
just click on a
welcome to
video
another
lesson
this
here
video.
just to show you what it's
At
like,
bronze level,
it gives you
we're going to go up by 7,
exemplification
so it's
for
going to be
everything.
1 takes us up to
And
1,
then
so minus
once it
7
talks
and
you
8 is
through
1,
some worked
and of course
examples,
5, which is all the way down.
it then gives you
So,
some questions
because
to
they're
try.
1-digit numbers,
It
you can't
encourages you to pause the video whilst you attempt the questions,
count
and
them on
then
your
when you
fingers
unpause
after
it,
all.
you
Minus
then
2,
mark your work
minus
in your
4,
Rigor Maths
and of course
jotter
the last one,
and
which is
give
minus
yourself a
3.
score out
So
of what
give
you
us
attempted and the time that it took you to complete the activity. Now, once you've completed outcome 1, you move on to outcome 2, outcome 3 and then outcome 4 for this particular topic. So what would your next steps be? Well, another time there's a worksheet if we need a wee bit more practice, either immediately after the video lessons or at some point in the future. And once we're confident in the topic, there's then a self-marking quiz that your child can attempt to see how well they've understood this topic. So just to give you an idea of what it looks like, it's multiple choice with the answers jumbled up every time. So this quiz can be completed as many times as is needed. Now I'm just clicking randomly on the answers here, not something I'd recommend they do, but just to give you an idea of how this works. So once all 10 questions are answered, we then just submit the form and then it's marked for us where we can actually view our score. So in this case, I got 0 out of 10, but it does give me a wee bit of feedback at the bottom as to why I got things wrong. But of course, just to stress, I did actually click on things at random here. But you can actually attempt the quiz as many times as you would like there to always try and improve your score. Now, what do you do after you've completed that bronze module? Well, what you're encouraged to do is record the scores in your pupil record. Now, the pupil record looks like this, and just to show you, if we go back to the main menu, it can actually be downloaded from here. So you just click on it, it downloads it for you, and then it'll look something like this. So on your computer, you can just keep a record of everything that Joe Bloggs has been working through in Rigor Maths, but it does also print rather nicely on a single sheet of A4 paper if you prefer a paper copy. So we completed negative numbers, and let's just say we did the video and we get 9 out of 10, so that would be 90%. And say the time taken was 6 minutes, we type in a number 6 in the time column. Now let's just say after that we then did a maths outcome, so powers and roots, and we did the first lesson, we scored 40%, and it took us 7 minutes. We then decided to do the worksheet, and we improved our scoring at 60%, and it took us a wee bit less time, so it took us 5 minutes. And then we did the quiz, and our score went up again because we practiced it more, and we get 80%, and this time it only took us 4 minutes. Well, I don't know if you've noticed, but as you can see up the top, the spreadsheet is starting to calculate our current progress on Rigor Maths. So this is a very useful way of keeping track of everything that you're doing. So that's basically Rigor Maths in a nutshell. There's that comprehensive support for everything from third level, including the second level they're working on at primary school, the fourth level that they'll move on to after they've completed third level, and then all the national qualifications. If they get a wee bit fed up of just the maths, we've got our finest selection of free maths games that are available on the internet as well. But the last thing I want to talk to you about is actually our Rigor Maths 30, 60, 90-day challenge. So if you subscribe for your children, encourage them to take part in our challenge here. So they can start the challenge on any day, and they just need to complete one Rigor Maths activity a day for 30 days. Now these days do not have to be consecutive. Now as they work through the challenge, we'd encourage you to take a photo of your child's exercise and either tweet it to @CDMasterworks or @Rigor Maths, or post it on our Facebook page @Rigor Maths using the hashtags a bit of maths every day and Rigor Maths, along with the day number in each post. Now, once you've completed this 30 days, email all your pictures to support@rigormaths.co.uk with your child's name and address, and we will post them a bronze medal and certificate. Similarly, once they've completed the 60-day challenge, they could qualify for a silver medal and certificate, and the 90-day challenge, they would qualify for a gold medal and gold certificate. And that's just a way to keep them motivated in improving their numeracy and math skills before this big move to secondary school happens. And guys, trust me, based on the feedback we've had from this platform, which we've had running for 10 years, they're really going to benefit from it. Anyway, thanks a lot for your time, and I hope that you're actually going to consider joining our Rigor Maths subscribing community, and I'd like to wish you and your child all the best for this exciting challenge that lies ahead. But in the meantime, all that's left to do is thank you for watching and say bye for now.